students, in this video we are going to discuss the IUPAC naming of alkanes. Before diving into the main topic, we will first study hydrocarbons and their classifications. Make sure to watch till the end for more important tips. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds composed of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Hydrocarbons are classified into mainly two types. First one is saturated compounds, second one is unsaturated compounds. Again, the saturated is classified into the first type is alkanes and unsaturated is alkanes and alkynes. Let's study difference between these three compounds. First one, alkanes. Alkanes are CC single bonds. Alkenes are CC double bonds. And alkynes are CC triple bonds. Then general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. This N is equal to number of carbon atoms. In the case of alkanes, the general formula is CnH2n. At last, alkynes, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. IUPAC naming of alkane. Word root have an important role in naming. Word root depend upon the number of carbon atom. For C1, we call it as meth. C2, it is eth, and C3, it is prop. C4, but. C5, pent. Then C6, hex. C7, hept. C8, oct. C9, non. C10, duct. Naming of alkanes are classified into two types, unbranched chain and branched chain. First, we are going to study the naming of unbranched chain. Total 4 carbon atoms are there. In that case, the word root is but. And the suffix is common, that is ane. So the name of this compound is butane. Second example. First, count the number of carbon atoms. Only 2 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, the word root is eth and suffix is ane. So the name of this hydrocarbon is ethane. Branched alkenes are hydrocarbons where the carbon chain has side group attached to the main chain. So this is our main chain. The side group is attached to this main chain. It may be a single branch or a double branch or more than this double branch. Rules for naming branched alkane group. Number 1. Find the longest carbon chain and name it with ane. Second one, shortest position for substituent and add YL. For an example, methyl, ethyl and propyl. Third one, for multiple identical substituent, use prefix such as di, tri, tetra, etc. Fourth one, arrange substituent alphabetically. Last one, combine the names. Position, number of substituent, then substituent names in alphabetic order, parent chain name. Let's start our naming of branch chain alkane. Here is an example. According to our rule, first of all you have to find out the longest chain and name it with ane. So this one is our longest carbon chain. Count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon atoms is there. So the parent chain name is pentane. Then second rule, that is shortest position for substituent and add YL. So which one is our substituent? This one is our substituent. How many carbon atoms are there? Only 1 carbon atom. So that is meth YL. So methyl. Then the last rule, you have to name this hydrocarbon. First of all, you have to position of the substituent. That is the second position. So 2 hyphen Name of the substituent is methyl. So 2-methyl, then parent chain, that is pentane. So 2-methyl pentane is the name of this hydrocarbon. Second example, according to the rule, first of all you have to identify the longest hydrocarbon. So longest hydrocarbon contains 6 carbon atoms. Then according to the second rule, we have to provide the shortest position for the substituent. So finding this shortest position, we are numbering from left to right. The position of the substituent is 4th position. In another case, when we are counting from right to left, the position of the substituent is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the 3rd position is our substituent. So which one is our shortest position? 3 or 4? 3 is the shortest position. So we are choosing the second case. Then identify the substituent. The substituent contains only 1 carbon atom, so that is methyl. Then finally, name this hydrocarbon in correct order, that is 3-methyl-hexane. Second one, according to the rule, first of all you have to identify the longest parent chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 number of carbon atoms. This one is the longest parent chain. Then second rule, that means the shortest position for the branching group. So this one is a branching group. We have to provide shortest position for this branch. So when we count from left to right, the position of the substituent is 3rd position. When we count from right to left, the position of the substituent is 4th position. So which one is shortest? 3rd position is shortest. The name of this substituent is ethyl. Then finally, combine this name of this hydrocarbon, that is ethyl-hexane. Tips for naming alkanes. Always start numbering the parent chain from the end nearest to a substituent. If there are multiple substituents, list them alphabetically. Use prefix like di, tri and tetra for identical substituent. Next one, first of all identify the longest parent chain. So 3 carbons are there, so propane is the parent chain. Then how many substituents are there? There is 2 substituents with identical in each other. The 2nd position. So we name it as 2,2 dimethyl. Di means 2. Then the parent chain is propane. So name of this hydrocarbon is 2,2-dimethyl-propane. Next example, the longest chain which contains 5 carbon atoms. So that is pentane. There is 2 substituents that is not identical. The first one contains 2 carbon atoms. So that is ethyl. The second one contains only 1 carbon atom. So that is methyl. These 2 substituents is located in the same position, that is 3rd position. So we have to arrange them in alphabetic order. Ethyl and methyl. So ethyl is, according to the alphabetic order, is the first one. So we name this compound like 3-ethyl, 3-methyl pentane.